the AiPower Wearbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will take a look at a unique fitness tracker that has wireless earbuds. This is the Wearbuds by AiPower. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a proprietary magnetic charging cable, and ear tips. The Wearbuds features 12 hours of listening time, takes 90 minutes to fully charge, Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX codec. It has fitness tracking and a sleep monitor, app and notifications, touch controls, and the band is IPX5 and the earbuds are IPX6 sweat and water resistant. The fitness tracker is on the larger side compared to some of your smartwatches because it houses the earbuds. The display is easy to read and responsive with the swipes. It has a shiny chrome finish all around and a silicone band that feels similar to the Apple Watch. It's removable and replaceable as well. Underneath, you will find the charging contacts along with the heart rate sensor. To remove the earbuds, just press on the side and it will pop out, along with a display to show the status. Once you remove the earbuds, you can see the charging contacts inside. The earbuds are small and has a slim profile. Inside, it has a matte finish with the ear indicators, and on the outer face, it has a shiny chrome finish with the branding and a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have charging contacts, interchangeable ear tips, LED, touch control, and microphone. Here they are side by side. And now the tracker on my wrist so you get a perspective on how it looks. This also has app integration, and you can download the Wearbuds app. Here you can see you have access to the details of all the fitness metrics. Navigating playback and call controls is just a matter of tapping a few times. The band weighs in at 49 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 7 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Understand it, maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you think.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the AiPower Wearbuds microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, but I did notice it has a tendency to pick up a little bit more of the surrounding noises in a noisy setting. The pairing process was instant, and you can wear the earbuds individually if you prefer. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency, and range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Wearbuds. I found them to be fairly comfortable. They seated nicely inside my ears. It created a nice tight seal and requires just a slight twist down to get them seated. You do get good passive noise isolation, but after long periods of time you may feel some ear fatigue, as it does put some pressure in the ear canals. Having the touch controls is a plus, as it doesn't add too much pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is solid. The band and earbuds feel durable and tight. The display is bright but not as sharp compared to an Apple Watch. Controls were responsive on the earbuds and the display. I like the app integration for viewing the various fitness metrics. Battery life is fair considering the dual purpose of the device, so you should be able to power through a workout without having to worry about charging. Now when it comes to sound, I really didn't know what to expect, but I was surprised at the bass that these earbuds put out. They definitely had their presence. It was tight and punchy, and it didn't overwhelm. You just have to make sure it's seated properly or you won't get the full experience. Mids and highs I felt were a bit flat. I think they could have been dialed up a bit, and it could use better separation. Overall, I think this is an interesting device. Having a fitness band with earbuds is portable, but it does fall on the larger side. This can definitely be good for those that lead active lifestyles and don't want to carry multiple devices. You get the best of both worlds, fitness tracking and being able to listen to your music. So that is my review of the AiPower Wearbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.